English is more than just a language. It's a key that unlocks countless opportunities in our careers. In today's globalized world, English connects us with diverse cultures and industries. Proficiency in English enhances communication skills, making us more competitive in the job market. It opens doors to international collaborations and networking, allowing us to share ideas and innovations. Many companies prioritize English speakers for roles in management and customer relations. Moreover, understanding English gives us access to a wealth of knowledge through books, research, and online resources. Mastering English is not just an asset, it's essential for career advancement and success.